Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Innovations, the place where we explore the latest gadgets, accessories, and tech essentials to make your life better. Today I'm reviewing a small but incredibly useful product, the DEYACE Small Sling Bag for Men, a tactical-inspired waterproof EDC crossbody bag perfect for travel, work, sports, hiking, and more. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful everyday carry bag, stay tuned. This might be exactly what you need. Let's start with the material. This DEYACE sling bag is made from soft, durable, and water-resistant nylon fabric, which is perfect for protecting your belongings in unexpected rain or spills. The fabric is lightweight, flexible, and tough, exactly what you want in an EDC bag. One thing I really like is that the design is tactical-inspired, giving it a rugged, modern look while still being perfect for everyday use. Now, let's talk about comfort and size. The measurements are 5.9 inches long, 1.2 inches wide, and 8.6 inches high, making it compact but big enough for daily essentials. It weighs only 0.25 pounds, so it never feels heavy on your shoulder. The shoulder strap is wide nylon, and the best part, it is fully adjustable from 30 inches to 51 inches. This means you can wear it however you like, tight across the chest, loose on the shoulder as a crossbody, or even around the waist. The reversible design also allows you to switch strap sides based on your comfort or habit. Now let's talk storage, because this is where this small bag really shines. You get one main zip pocket, one front zip pocket, two inner mesh pockets inside the main compartment. This gives you space for everything you need: passport, ID cards, wallet, mobile phone, power bank, earphones, keys, cash. It's perfect for travel, especially when you need to keep important items safe, accessible, and organized. One of the standout features of this sling bag is the MAL webbing on the front. If you're into tactical gear, you already know how useful MAL is. This system allows you to attach medical pouches, flashlights, sunglasses, cases, knife sheaths, small tools. This makes the bag highly customizable for outdoor activities like hiking, cycling, camping, or even work. The DEYACE sling bag is built for everyone, both men and women. You can use it as a chest bag, a crossbody bag, a waist pack, a travel sling bag, a gym accessory, a festival or event bag, whether you're traveling, hiking, going to the gym, attending a concert, or just walking around the city. This bag fits in perfectly. This bag is perfect for people who want a compact, everyday carry solution, lightweight and waterproof storage, hands-free travel convenience, tactical style with MAL attachments, a gift idea for birthdays, Christmas, or Valentine's Day. If you're someone who carries essentials but hates big, bulky bags, you'll love it. So that was my full review of the DEYACE Tactical Small Sling Bag, if you'd like to check it out. I've added the Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Make sure to take a look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Digital Innovations for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you